Hello and welcome to Nirmal Bang, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Hiral Dadia. We have with us Kunal Shah, Head of Commodities Research, joining in. Kunal, welcome to the show. Kunal, to start off with, firstly, if you see in terms of where crude goes, prices jumped to $80 per barrel. OPEC has stuck with the February output hike as well. What do you make of this move? And in consonance to this, when you talk about Omicron and you talk about the other external factors, what's the kind of direction you're expecting?
See, if you see the later part of your question, Omicron, nobody is actually bothered. The markets are not bothered about Omicron. So we saw the COVID-19 when the Delta virus stuck in the month of April. We've seen a correction, momentary sharp correction in the market. This time, Omicron has not resulted into any correction in any of the world markets. So we've not seen market correcting, and it has corrected but sharply recovered from there. So demand, especially from the airline industry, is going to go down by 15 to 20% for oil. And at the same time, OPEC is going to produce more oil. So these two factors are actually bearish for crude oil. But the fact is, the markets are not listening to any bearish. Markets are in a quite upbeat mode right now. So all the markets are moving up after what we saw the trend after the new year. There is a rally in all the markets across, except gold, silver. There is a full risk on sentiment, and that's the reason why oil is moving up. So generally, my observation is that after 2 days, today, tomorrow, oil will start again, will start to go down again. And I'm of the view that 57.50 good levels to go short in crude oil. 58.70 stop loss, and expect oil to test 5600. So I'm not bullish on oil.
Right. So that's with regards to crude goes. Moving from there on, if you see in terms of base metals, what's the sense that you're picking up now?
Yeah, so base metals, I was always recommending two metals to go long: nickel, aluminum. Nickel yesterday made a high of $1590, and from there it has corrected to $1566. So nickel, I would again reiterate, $1560, you go and buy nickel, put a stop loss of $1550, 1550 rupees, and wait for the target of 1580.82. So nickel looks attractive, 4-5 rupees downside from here. One can initiate a long call in nickel. Apart from that, aluminum too looks very attractive to me. 227, go long, stop loss to 2540, and wait for the target of 230.
Okay. And anything on the agri commodity side?
So today is my day when I can say that turmeric has hit 5 numbers. So we are saying that from last 4 to 5 months that turmeric will hit 10,000 rupees marks, and it did yesterday. So I think looking at the oil prices, guar seed can get some traction and can move up by 3 to 4% from present levels, and the fundamentals are bullish. So guar seed and guar gum, one can initiate long for the 4 to 5% upside.
Right. In terms of external questions coming in as well, there's one question. If you could, last 3 times say stop loss hit hua hai huge, please help recover it in gold and silver.
Yeah, so these are not the market. I'm not the intraday specialist, but I try my best to give the best advice. So sometimes intraday markets are not in our control, and there is a huge volatility. You see this kind of volatility, there is no direction. Gold sometimes moves up by 300-400 rupees, sometimes goes. So it's stuck in a very narrow range. All the commodities, forget about gold. We are not seeing any major breakout. We are not seeing any major shakeout. So ऐसी मार्केट में मेरे लिए भी बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है आपको एकदम इंट्राडे बेसिस पे राइट व्यू देने के लिए. सो इसीलिए मैं बहुत सिलेक्टिव कॉल देना प्रेफर करूंगा आज के दिन. अगर आप मुझे पूछोगे रिकवर करने के लिए कुछ क्या मतलब एकदम अच्छा लग रहा है, सो आई एम बैंकिंग ऑन क्रूड ऑयल. सो मेरी राय में क्रूड ऑयल 57-40-50 के आसपास आप बेच सकते हो, और वो धीरे धीरे मुझे लग रहा है 3-4 दिन में 5600 के टारगेट आपको दिखा सकता है.
Right. So that is overall with regards to where crude. Any view in terms of copper?
कॉपर मेरा व्यू बुलिश नहीं है, पर कल चिले जो वर्ल्ड का सेकंड लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर है, वहां पे कॉपर का प्रोडक्शन 5% डाउन हो गया इन द मंथ ऑफ दिसंबर, एंड दैट्स द रीजन व्हाई कॉपर प्राइसेस आर कल इसके लिए बढ़ा था. तो मुझे लग रहा है कि कॉपर अभी जो रिस्क ऑन सेंटिमेंट है इसमें इमीडिएटली बेचना नहीं है. बट ऊपर में पोजिशनल व्यू कहाँ पे ऊपर में 760, 700, 758, 760, these are the levels where I will sell. इंट्राडे के लिहाज से दूसरे मेटेरियल के साथ थोड़ा बहुत कॉपर भी ऊपर जा सकता है 751, 52 तक.
Right. So that's the view coming in overall in terms of metals and commodities. So thank you, participants. Thank you, Kunal, as well.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel for in-depth interviews of India Inc. and press the bell icon so that you do not miss our updates.